soul and let the wind play with your hair. Brought the cobwebs from your mind, they've been keeping you so blind.